When disaster strikes, it's often without warning. Whether it's a natural disaster, power outage, economic collapse, or global uncertainty, one thing is clear: being prepared can save lives. Survival isn't about fear, it's about readiness. In today's video, we're diving into practical survival strategies you can implement right now. From building a go bag to sharpening life-saving skills, this guide is designed to help you prepare for emergencies and take control of your safety. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting out, these steps will ensure you're ready for the unexpected. Preparedness starts with knowledge. The first step is to understand the risks specific to your area. Is your region prone to hurricanes, earthquakes, or wildfires? Are there signs of potential economic instability or infrastructure issues? Sit down with your family and create an emergency plan. This should include evacuation routes, safe meeting points, and a communication strategy for when cell service or internet goes down. Practice your plan with a drill to identify gaps and ensure everyone knows what to do. When time is short, a well-prepared go bag can make all the difference. Think of it as your survival toolkit, packed with essentials to get you through the critical first 72 hours of a crisis. Include water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, lighting, a portable shelter, and tools like a multi-tool and whistle. Check your go bag every 6 months to replace expired items and adjust for seasonal needs. Not all emergencies require evacuation. In cases where it's safer to stay put, like during a storm or societal unrest, having essential supplies at home is critical. Stockpile water, non-perishable food, power backups, tools, and hygiene supplies. For water, aim for 1 gallon per person per day for at least 2 weeks. Awareness can be your greatest asset in an emergency. Monitor local news, weather alerts, and emergency broadcasts. Learn to read subtle warning signs, such as sudden shifts in crowd behavior or disruptions in supply chains. Practice scanning your surroundings regularly. This skill can help you identify threats or opportunities in any situation. Having the right tools is important, but knowing how to use them is crucial. Learn water purification methods, fire making, first aid, self-defense, and navigation with a map and compass. These skills aren't just theoretical, they're practical actions you can take today. Preparedness is an ongoing process, and it starts with the steps you take right now. Sit down and draft your emergency plan today. Start assembling your go bag, even if it's just one item at a time. And most importantly, commit to learning one new survival skill this month, whether it's fire making, water purification, or basic first aid. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more survival tips. Share this video with friends and family to help them prepare too. Remember, it's not about being scared of the future, it's about being ready for it. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.